Memory addressing. Okay, so what is address first? Address is where is an information on where a person or a thing is located. It's the location. So in operating system, memory also have an address. There's two type of address. There's two known address in a computer. One is logical address. Logical address is known as virtual address, and this is generated by CPU during program execution, which means this is this is what the user can see and what the user can access, as this is virtual display by this is produced by the CPU, so the user can access this. So physical address, while the other is physical address. A physical address is the actual address in the main memory where data is stored, which means this is the real address of the data. For us to understand better, we can compare them together. So, this is, well, physical address is not accessible for users, like not like it cannot be accessed by users unless an address translation will happen, while virtual address can be accessed easily by user, as this was generated as this was created by CPU, while physical address is computed by memory management unit. Let- And physical address also will not change, as this is permanently managed in the main memory. But meanwhile, virtual address is what a logical address is. Virtual means it it's just there. It can be seen in the computer. Um, sa madaling salita, physical address, nasa loob siya ng memory management unit. Nasa loob siya ng RAM. Nasa loob siya ng CPU. Pero yung yung logical address, yun yung nakikita na sa monitor. Kasi nga, real address ang physical address, while logical address is just used to access physical address. Now, an example is pag yung sabihin na natin yung virtual address is um 00F35. 00F35 will not be where the data is truly located. That is what that is just some part of information, but that's not the complete information on where is the data will be located. Physical address is the only thing that can tell its location. So in order for us to find physical address through virtual address, there is something that's called address translation. So the process of this is that logical address and physical address need to be mapped before the program is run. Okay. So this means that the data can only be processed when the logical address is successfully translated into physical address. So you can see in this screen that logical that it starts with CPU being processed, and then logical address will go to the memory management unit, and then the management unit will play part on checking the page table to find the suitable physical address for the data. So page table. If the page, okay, yung mapping technique, ito yung paging and segmentation, which I won't discuss because the next report there, because are assigned for them. So now let's move forward. After the logical address is being checked by management unit, there could be a problem while that is happening. There could be a page fault in operating system, and when that happens, it the operating system will have to load the data. It means that the data is being is being taken from the storage yun. And then once na nakuha na ulit yung data sa storage, mapupunta na siya sa main memory. So yung mga discuss later after me is a method for logical address and physical address to be in the main memory. Those are contiguous allocation, paging segmentation, swapping, and virtual memory. And that, thank you.